Hello, graduates. For those of you who haven't met me, I'm Dr. Lil, and I'm a professor and the current chair of the biology department at GW. I'm an ecologist who's been doing research and teaching conservation biology, insect biology, and plant-animal interactions here at GW for the last 18 years. My wonderful colleagues, the dedicated biology faculty and staff, and I had hoped to be celebrating with you in person, and we were looking forward to meeting your families and friends at our annual departmental graduation celebration in the SEH. Unfortunately, the coronavirus pandemic has thrown a wrench into those plans, but we are confident that your talented class has what it takes to meet this challenge head on, especially those of you who have taken Dr. Grafer's virology course. While we cannot be together in person, we hope to mark this important milestone in your lives with this video. First, you will hear a few words from each of the faculty members, and then Dr. O'Halloran and I will return to read the list of graduating seniors in neuroscience and biology, after which we will recognize some of our outstanding student researchers. Finally, we've put together a slideshow of pictures that you submitted or that were taken by your professors. First, here are a few words from our faculty.
This is Professor Clark saying happy graduation. And just remember, this is a dinosaur. This is not.
Congratulations to students graduating this year. We've had quite a year. I'm proud of you for seeing it through and being able to share this joyful event with you. I've taught a number of you in my plant and field biology classes, and it's been a joy watching you discover biodiversity in the scientific process. I hope you take the creativity, resiliency, and problem-solving skills you've learned at GW out into the broader world. I wish you best wishes in your next steps, and please keep us posted. Even after you graduate, you will always remain part of the GW community.
Hello, class of 2020. Congratulations on achieving this big milestone in your life. I wish you all the best and wish you to excel in your future endeavors. Raise high.
Hey, congratulations, seniors. This is Dr. Smith. I've had the pleasure of teaching many of you in my animal behavior classes and also insect biology, and really it has been nothing but a pleasure. I'm proud of all you guys have accomplished in the last 4 years, and I hope you are as well. Sorry I can't be there to congratulate you in person, but of course the important thing is everything that you all have done. So again, congratulations.
Everyone, this is Dr. Mirzman. I am teaching biology of cancer at the biology department, and I want to wish all of you a very, very happy graduation. Congratulations. Live your life. Treat yourself now to a avocado and toast sandwich.
Congrats to the students of 2020. Special shout out to Gedan Lab graduate Abby Philbrick and the students of marine ecology. I can't wait to see what you all do next.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Well done.
Hi everybody, my name is Alex Pyron, and I want to join my colleagues in the department and at the university in congratulating the class of 2020 on their accomplishments and all their hard work. I also want to give a special shout out to my student Ben Barger for his honors thesis on range evolution in lizards and snakes. I hope everyone's excited about what comes next.
Oh, hello BioGrants. This is Scott Powell, Professor of Ecology. Some of you know me as the Ant Professor. I'm coming to you from this remote rainforest lockdown location to wish you all huge congratulations. It's been a pleasure to have taught many of you in your time at GW, and of course I wish you all the very best of luck in your future endeavours, and we hope to see some of you back on campus for the celebration in spring 2021 as well. Okay, bye-bye.
This is Dr. Courtney Smith. I'm recording from my backyard, and I wanted to say congratulations to all of the new graduates from George Washington University. For those of you who took my immunology course, perhaps some of what you learned in my class has helped you understand the current status of this viral pandemic. So good luck in your future and congratulations.
Hello, this is Damien O'Halloran, Associate Professor in Biology and Director of the Neuroscience major. I want to congratulate all of our graduating seniors. I am really proud of all of you, and I look forward to staying in contact with as many of you as possible to see what your future brings. I wanted to take a moment to recognize all of the graduating seniors within the neuroscience major, and so I want to recognize each of you by reading your names from the graduating list one by one. First we have Abhilasha Akar, Ahmed Al-Fardan, Bibas Amataya, Dylan Back, Catherine Bogalowski, Sean Connor, Charlotte Gaynor, Samuel Gritz, Gabrielle Aroki, Emily Jesko, Ambika Kurana, Noah Lubin, Daniel Newman, Angelina Awerkirk, Efim Oikman, Alexandra Parpaunas, Mohammed Rahman, Faisha Salamai, Isabella Valdez, Emma Valmer, and James Triplett. I am really excited for each and every one of you, and I'm really proud to have gotten to know each of you during your time here at GW, and I'm really excited to see what your future brings. So please do stay in touch and let me know how your next chapter after GW turns out. Congratulations, everybody.
One additional neuroscience graduate who was not on Dr. O'Halloran's list because she graduated in the fall semester is Fatima Anwar. Congratulations, Fatima. Today it is my distinct privilege to recognize the class of 2020 graduates in biological sciences who have persevered for the last 4 or so years through some challenging courses, starting with intro bio and chemistry, then moving on to core courses in cell biology, genetics, evolution, and ecology, followed by in-depth upper-level courses in systems biology, organismal biology, and ecology and evolution, complete with what I hope were rewarding and interesting laboratory experiences. Perhaps you spent a semester dissecting all manner of dead things in Dr. Hernandez's Componat lab, or manipulating the DNA in butterfly embryos in Dr. Martin's gene editing course. Or maybe you spent it outdoors, kayaking in Dr. Gadan's marine ecology course, or bird watching in Dr. Zan's field biology class. The really lucky ones got to spend a gorgeous fall weekend with me down in the Shenandoah Valley collecting insects in the Insect Biolab. Each of you has now completed all of the many requirements in this demanding major, earning your Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science in Biology. There are 91 of you this year. 30 of you completed the requirements for the concentration in cell and molecular biology. 22 of you completed the requirements for the concentration in ecology, evolution, and the environment, and the remainder completed the requirements for the general biology degree. In alphabetical order, the 2020 biology majors include Benjamin Barger, Cyrus Bezadi, Taylor Brewer, Elizabeth Cancellary, Jillian Chowski, William Conlon, Olaf Corning, Sharia Dalla, Kirsta Davis, Lydia Deaton, Olivia Di Cristofaro, Delisa Diaz, Catherine Donahue, Bridget Edwards, Phoebe Elizaga, Adrian Elzarki, Biola Eniola, Tanin Ferdosian, Elias Figueroa Mego, Caroline Francescuti, Evan Gary, Mark Goldberg, Ashutosh Goyal, Jordan Helbing, Alyssa Jane Hippolito Magdalene, Claire Houchin, Zishan Irani, Mary Rose Isa, Anand Iyer, Neha Jog, Zaria Jordan, Allison Kays, Raymond Kierbeck, Sarah Kolberg Schuler, Daphne Kuberly, Trevor LaSalvia, Owen Ligas, Derek Long, Michael Magierski, Christina Morano, Danielle Martin, Samantha Martinez, Agnes McDonough, Juliet Mendoza Castillo, Samantha Metzger, Rachel Milia, Farhana Momtaz, Natalia Monsalve, Paula Marshchinsky, Saleh Naeem, Trent Navy, Sarah No, Wyatt Nice, Stephanie Obi, Victor Akoma, Jadev Patel, Elizabeth Pearson, Shelby Purnell, Abigail Philbrick, Mia Prado, Oliver Probst, Philip Shane Pruitt, Rowby Rayford, John Reel, Julia Raychek, Erica Robertson, Nicole Rogalski, Anthony Saad, Hadil Saad, Leslie Sanchez, Jordan Schneider, Madison Schoonmaker, Eric Schwender, Sarthak Shah, Elena Shelipak, Jared Shields, Julia Singer, Morgan Southern, Carol Suhovietsky, Mary Swanovek, Faiza Tahir, Theodore Ume, Hannah Uray, Isabel Van Vieren, Annie Wallace, Cassandra White, Samantha Wong, Abigail Johannes, Angela Yu, Yongbao Zhang, and last but not least, Madison Zufall. Congratulations, graduates. We also want to recognize a few of our graduates who have earned special awards in the department. First, we have one student who completed the Scholars in Quantitative and Natural Sciences program, Phoebe Elizaga, and one student who received an undergraduate research award, Yongbao Zhang. Next, we have two students who were selected by the college to receive Luther Rice Research Fellowships, Claire Houchin and Sarthak Shah. Congratulations. Next, we have our Summer Harlan students. These students were selected to participate in our summer research program, where they completed an in-depth research project and presented their research at our Harlan poster session. Olaf Corning, Lydia Deaton, Phoebe Elizaga, Daphne Kuberly, Trevor LaSalvia, Juliet Mendoza Castillo, Mia Prado, Hadil Saad, Julia Singer, and Mohammed Rahman. Congratulations. Finally, we want to recognize the students who are graduating with honors in biology. Each of these students maintained at least a 3.5 grade point average in their biology courses, and then during their senior year wrote a formal honors thesis, which was read and evaluated by a panel of departmental faculty. This year, we had 7 students complete this rigorous process, the latter part of which was done while in shutdown. The 2020 Biology Honors Program graduates are Bibas Amatya, Benjamin Barger, Phoebe Elizaga, Claire Houchin, Anthony Saad, Cassandra White, and Angela Yu. Congratulations on this significant accomplishment. And finally, each year, the Honors Program Committee selects one student to receive the Atkins Prize in honor of our former colleague and professor of biology, Dr. David Atkins. This student produced a truly outstanding thesis, working with Dr. Brenda Bradley in the anthropology department and being co-advised by Dr. Eleftherianos in biology. This award, which comes with a $500 prize, goes to Cassandra White for her thesis entitled Dopamine Receptor Methylation is Correlated with Aspects of Chimpanzee Personality. Congratulations to all of the award winners. You will be receiving certificates or special cords for your graduation regalia in the mail soon from our department. In closing, each of you should be enormously proud of this accomplishment. With several major scientific challenges facing the world, from the current health crisis to mapping the human brain, to the race to discover, understand, and conserve our shrinking biodiversity, to mitigating the effects of global climate change during the Anthropocene, we are confident that the broad background in the life sciences that you have obtained during your time at GW will serve you well. Whether you headed to graduate school, the health professions, a teaching career, a biotech company, or into a government job, you will be applying what you have learned during these last 4 years. While you might not remember all of the steps of the Krebs cycle, or where the brachioradialis inserts, or the formula for logistic growth, you've been trained to think like a scientist, to design rigorous experiments, to be able to read and follow a laboratory protocol, to record and analyze data, and to present your results in both oral and written form. We want you to use what you have learned to advance knowledge, to improve the world, to cure diseases, and to educate the public. And we want to know what you are up to. Come back and visit us, friend us on Facebook, and email us updates as you move forward in your lives and careers. Finally, I would like to thank your parents and guardians who have supported you, spent a lot of money on tuition, and moved you in and out of dorms and apartments countless times while trying to avoid parking tickets in Foggy Bottom. You are a part of our GW family, and we appreciate all that you have done to support your talented graduates during their time at GW. Now, here are some pictures and thoughts from the class of 2020.